Hello guys, welcome back. Today I have got the Motorola Razr R70 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use FlexView as a camera tripod. At first you need to open the camera. Now fold your phone like this. As you can see, when it's folded almost like 90 degrees, we can see our camera preview and all the controls for our camera. So how to use it as a tripod, just place it on the ground on a flat surface like this. Now you can set a timer using this clock over here and set it to 10 seconds. You can take a photo of yourself with the 10-second timer. Just click this button and the photo will be taken. That's how to use your phone as a tripod. The same works for video, slow motion, frame match, and everything else. Goodbye.